beach day, down to Newtown Bay. Beach day, down to Newtown Bay.
The crown boarding on a blade, repairs were dragging slow. Asked Redford for the weather scan, clear skies down below. She grinned and said, well, that's enough, we're heading planet side. Inspection trip, perhaps, but in the sun and with the tide. Fabricator ticking down, boxes by the door. Cynthia walked in, saw the mesh, you're wearing that no more. Clara laughed and spilled the stash, colors every way. Relax, my friend, I packed us all, we're going to the bay. Beach day, down to Newtown Bay. White sand, blue sea, sunshine all the way. Pack the crew, bring the Marines, nothing could go wrong, you know what that means. Beach day, beach day. Beach day, beach day. Rackle up in pilot seat, descend polite and slow. Clara leaned in with a grin, is that how fighters go? Show me how you really drop, Cynthia, please behave. 3, 2, 1, the shuttle rolled and power dived away. Rachel drowning under deals, contract stacked sky high. Clara swept in smiling sweet, you're coming, but don't try. Messages forwarded in one decisive sweep. Bring your data pad along, the beach won't hurt your key. Beach day, hold on to your crown. Ocean rushing up and then we level out of town. Cynthia gripping steel, Clara laughing at the feel. Smoothest landing, no one even felt on ground. Beach day, beach day. Beach day, beach clock tower arch, knees hit stone, deckland stiff with fright. Your Royal Highness 6 times more before she said it right. Shelters, windbreaks, beach balls blown, flowers by the door. Celia on cliffside watch with radios and more. Fish and chips on terrace shade, umbrellas by the sea. Make it VIP, he said, but quiet as can be. Leo porn with barren fast, bad news, brace your mind. Princess Clara's in your square with the squadron line. Wyatt breathed and muttered low, this is far too neat. This is definitely a trap with towels and summer heat. Beach day, down in Newtown Bay. Rachel's got a brand new house right along the way. Elizabeth for quail, the crew, sun hats, laughter, ocean blue, sand and boots and rinse off spray. Fish and chips to end the day. No mesh bikinis, worth a try, okay. Wyatt shaking his head but smiling anyway. Beach day, hey. Best surprise of the campaign. Norne, be all quiet now, repairs nearly done. Golden light on steel and glass, fading with the sun. Footprints stretching down the shore, laughter in the spray. Echoes of a perfect yet expected day. Clock tower chimed, the evening in tide was rolling slow. Windbreak walls and folded chairs, embers gentle glow. Sand still caught in boots and cuffs, salt upon the skin. No one quite admitting they would do it all again. Started as a maybe, turned into a why not stay. Sometimes all it takes is sunshine to chase the clouds away. Beach day down in Newtown Bay. White sand, blue sea, memories that stay. Crew and crowns and common ground, laughter louder than the sound. Beach day, here to stay. Beach day, beach day, beach day, beach day. Beach day, beach day, beach day, beach day. Beach day, best surprise of the campaign. Beach day, beach day, beach day. Beach day.